Yo, what's good, DIY guy here, coming back with another video. And today, well, it's actually a sad day because we lost a member of the God tiers. We ended up losing my Xbox One. Sorry for the clickbait, but my Xbox One was a huge part of video making for my gaming channel. So at the moment, I will not be able to release any content, or I will release content slowly. I don't know when I'll be able to make more videos. But what had happened is that a lightning bolt struck my house, or near my house, and the electricity to the Xbox was damaged. The power brick to connect to the Xbox will now short circuits. Until the problem is fixed, I will slow uploads to my gaming channel. But as for this channel, I don't know when I'm going to post another DIY. Also, as for the DBZ Battle Cry drama, I can no longer find his channel when you search up his name, which means he either deleted his channel or switched his name. Both options means he doesn't want any drama going his way, or that he can't handle it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and play a tribute video to my Xbox. Although I want to play an actual song in the tribute video, I do not want to get copyright claims, so I will play a song by NCS or No Copyright Sounds. Their link is in the description. Other than that, peace out and stay God tier. Peace.
I am